Hello, please come in. How can I help you today?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a headache. I also feel very tired.
How long do you have this headache?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a cough or sore throat?
Yes, I have a sore throat.
Okay. Do you sleep well at night?
No, I sleep very late.
I see. You need more rest and more water.
Do I need medicine?
Yes. Take this medicine twice a day.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.